Dear learners, behalf of Skill Explore, I welcome you to the Skill Explore Master Course. This course prepares you for the UPDA MMUP Engineers Registration Examination. This video explains briefly about subjects involved in UPDA MMUP in Chemical Engineers Registration Examination held in Qatar. Exam pattern preferably asked in MMUP Chemical Engineers Registration Examination, documents required and procedure to register for the UPDA Engineers Registration Examination. The motto of Skill Explore is to study smart, not hard with Skill Explore Master Course. Know our Skill Explore experts. Myself, Engineer A. Francis Panimati, working as Assistant Professor and Research Scholar in a deemed university, Tamil Nadu, India. I'm working in the field of education since 2006 with more than 14 years of experience handling various subjects of chemical engineering. I have completed my bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from Anna University, Tamil Nadu. I have done my master's in business administration in human resources and master's in technology in environmental engineering. I have publications in highly Scopus Index journal and my research works are presented in international and national conferences. I have received Best Teacher Award for continuously giving 100% pass percentage in process economics and industrial management. Now we will see the Skill Explore Master Course. It involves e-study materials for full syllabus required to prepare for the examination. It also involves recorded video sessions for each topic with respect to the syllabus of MMUP Engineers Registration Examination. At end of each session, a live quiz will be conducted relevant to the topic discussed. In addition to the recorded videos and e-study material, the learner will be able to assess 30 mock test question papers to get trained for the examination. These all questions and question papers are prepared from previous year question papers with clear answers and explanation. There is more probability for replication of these questions in your examination, which will help you to crack the examination in first attempt. Skill Explore experts assist the learners with free documentation and give consultation support in each process of registration and in the preparation of examination. In addition to that, the candidate who is enrolled in the Skill Explore Master Course will be able to assess the course material for lifetime. Now we will see the Chemical Engineers Master's Course areas. The areas involved are distillation, heat transfer, fluid mechanics, project management, economic analysis, material balance, reaction kinetics, and energy balance. We know that distillation is an important process in petroleum refineries, which deals with simple distillation, fractional distillation, and design of distillation column. The heat transfer is another important module which discuss about the mechanism of heat transfer using conduction, convection, and radiation. Fluid mechanics deals with the flow of fluid through pipes and learn about the characteristics of the fluid through the pipes. Next is project management, which is a process of leading the work of a team to achieve goals and meet success criteria at a specified time. Economic analysis discuss about the relationship between the sales, cost, and demand of an process industry. Material balance based on the law of conservation of mass helps us to identify the amount of uh, reactant that is required for a desired product. Reaction kinetics helps us to find the percentage conversion of reactant into the desired product. And we will be discussing in energy balance about the energy input to a reactor, energy consumed for the reaction to take place, and the energy output. Now we will see the subjects and number of questions probably asked in MMUP engineers registration examination. From distillation, a maximum of 6 questions will be asked. Roughly 4 questions will be asked from fluid mechanics and 4 questions from project management. Heat transfer, economic analysis, and material balance are important, that each carries 3 questions in the question paper. From energy balance and reaction kinetics, 2 questions each can be asked. Now we will move on to the weightage of each subject. Distillation has more weightage of 23%. Fluid mechanics and project management are of 15% each. Economic analysis, heat transfer, and material balance of 11% each. And energy balance and reaction kinetics with 7% weightage in the MMUP engineers registration examination. So these percentage weightages are given based on the analysis of previous year question papers. Now we will know what is mean by UPDA. UPDA stands for Urban Planning and Development Authority. As per the new rules from November 2019, UPA registration has been made mandatory for the renewal of visa and transfer and for getting the family visa renewal. So get your engineer's license as soon as possible by cracking the exam in the first attempt by using our Skill Explore master course. Now we will see the UPDA exam pattern. So the exam is conducted on the system and duration for the exam is 1 hour. The exam pattern involves objective questions. Either 25 questions will be asked or 27 questions will be asked. If 25 questions are asked, the right answers should be 13 questions. And if 27 questions are asked, 14 right answers are required for getting pass. So each right answer will be calculated as 4 marks and there is no negative marking in the examination. So you need to prepare within your engineering discipline subjects and project management, and you can also assess the system calculator if required. So after completing the examination, you have to wait for some time to know the results. And if the result is pass, then you will be receiving the UPDA license. For receiving this license, you need to pay an amount of QR 300. So the exam will be conducted in the Baldio office in Doha Municipality Building, B Ring Road. The Google Map link is given here. The documents required for obtaining the UPDA examination license is, the mandatory documents are valid Qatar ID, degree certificate, consolidated mark sheet, individual mark sheet, Qatar police clearance certificate, and curriculum vitae, and a photo and your passport. Some optional documents which can be asked in additional are experience certificate and any training certificate. To know more about the exam procedure, kindly visit the Skill Explore website. Here we have given some of the useful and direct links to get your UPDA exam requirements. So some of the links are to upload the documents, to create Hookme account, to get PCC request letter, to get online application, etc. So you can contact Skill Explore consultants for queries, feedback, or assistance in by calling us at 919884625713, and you can mail us at info@skillexplore.com. Please visit our website for more information. Please subscribe our Skill Explore Chemical Engineers Master Course and crack your UPDA MMUP examination in first attempt. Thank you.